Hi everyone, and welcome to our weekly English vocabulary words. Every week, we are going to learn 5 new English words. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1, egg. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Number 2, flower. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Number 3, elephant. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Number 4, house. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. Number 5, key. Key. K-E-Y. Key. Great job! See you next time!